Hello everyone, sorry for the delay once again. I've actually come down with a little bit of a cold, so I decided to post one of my videos from Udemy that I made. It's a free course, so the video that I'm going to post is some administrative tools that systems administrators may use. And so, yeah, if you'd like to support more of my videos and help me to make better content, go ahead and go to the link in the description. It's called buymeacoffee.com/karostech, and then you can click on the support tab, and then you can support whatever you want. You don't have to. And then I also have a membership for you guys. I want to make a Discord so that way you guys can ask questions and everything like that. So you'll be notified by email what new members only posts are published. Support me on a monthly basis. You get a one-on-one chat with me, which I want to make a Discord for that, and then members only post. So I hope you enjoy this video. Windows administrative tools, so system and security, and then administrative tools. And here you have computer management, disk cleanup, iSCSI initiator, performance monitor, recovery drive, the registry editor. Sometimes you will need to get in the registry to add like rules if nothing else works. Services, system configuration, system information, and test scheduler. You got your Windows Defender firewall and Windows memory diagnostic. So let's just go ahead and look at the registry editor. You really don't want to mess with too much in here because you can really mess up your computer. But sometimes certain things will not work, and you can make rules. Like if someone's trying to put like a USB drive in there and you don't want them to do that and nothing else works, you can do that in here. I don't remember the exact thing how to do it, but you can look it up and you can find it. Services, interesting thing. Go into computer management and then go into device manager. This is something that you may use a lot if you work with printers and there's a print server. So print queues, and then you'll have to delete, re-add, and you can literally see everything that is on the computer plugged in, and you know what's going on with the audio, and you can just configure all this, disable the stuff if you want to. Here's your disk management. I'm on a VM right now, so this is going to look a little weird saying that's how much I have. You can configure the disks however you want. You may not mess with it that much. You can look at your performance and it'll tell you. I'm running on a little laptop, so it's probably not that good, gonna be honest. You can have shared folders. There is also another thing called local group policy, but I couldn't get it on my computer for some reason. I think it's because of the version of Windows I have. So basically, on the local machine, you can set policies, like if you don't want someone going to a website or something, or if you don't want them to set their background, you can configure that for them. And then services and applications, click on services. These are all your services in Windows. Sometimes you'll have to restart the print spooler. I just saw it. You can type it in and it'll go to it. Print. I said that and then that happened. Most of the time you can do that and it'll pop up. There it is, the print spooler. So it's running, you'll need to restart it or whatever. Very rarely I have to do that. You can look at all the services in here. Another thing I'm sure that you know about is Task Manager. For Windows, it says I have no apps running, which is true. Okay, I was like, what? I was being sarcastic. Okay, so there is apps running, background processes anyway. So you have your processes, background processes, the performance of your CPU, memory, disk, all of that, your app history, what starts up. You can disable this stuff if you want to. The user that's logged in and what all they have running, details, and then this tells you the PID number, username, who's using it, CPU usage, the memory. Let me scroll over. And the user access control virtualization, if it's allowed or not. That's what that's asking or saying. And then again, you can view all the services here. Like I said, if you have something that is not responding, you can easily just force quit it, or end task. Force quits Mac. So that is that. Something that IT help desk may use, network administrator, systems administrator. I think just about anybody in the field uses this quite a bit. And I'm sure you already knew about it, but if you didn't, now you do. Alright, I hope everyone enjoyed this class, and now you can decide whether you want to become or want to get into the IT field or not.